In this video, I'll share with you 4 undervalued stocks that I bought for August 2024. If it's your first time on my channel, I work as a finance manager at a top tech company with an MBA in finance and a CPA designation. For a quick background, since March 2024, I decided to start investing $1,000 each month into building my new undervalued stock portfolio. And August is my 6th month, which means that I've invested a total of $6,000 so far into my portfolio. So without any further ado, let's go over my 4 undervalued stock picks for August 2024. Undervalued stock number 1, Chipotle. Chipotle Mexican Grill is a fast casual restaurant chain specializing in burritos and tacos. At the time of this video, Chipotle is valued at $68 billion. I bought 6 shares of Chipotle stock at $49.85 per share, for a total investment of $299.10. You probably know by now that I love to invest in companies that I personally use myself. If I'm a customer of a certain company, that makes me more confident about investing in it as well. Chipotle is one of my favorite fast food chains, and I know that millions of other people also love their food. This strong customer loyalty convinces me that the company will perform well in the future. The company's annual revenues have also been strong and consistently growing year over year throughout its history. Recently, Chipotle had a stock split where one stock got split into 50 separate individual stocks. Before the split, Chipotle's stock was trading at about $3,000 per share, and now after the split, it's about $50 to $60. These stock splits make it more affordable for investors to own full shares of the company's stock, which could raise the price of the stock as more people invest. Undervalued stock number 2, Disney. Disney is a renowned multinational entertainment and media conglomerate known for its iconic animated and live action films, theme parks, television networks, and merchandise. At the time of this video, Disney is valued at $164 billion. I bought 3 shares of Disney stock at $89.82 per share for a total investment of $269.46. I've owned Disney stocks in the past and decided to buy more shares as the price went down. As of today, I own 8 shares of the Disney stock at an average cost of $98.96 per share. Disney has been facing several different issues in recent years. These include declining foot traffic at its theme parks, fewer Disney Plus subscribers, some movies that lost money, and an uncertainty about the direction of many of its portfolio companies. But I think that these declines provide a great opportunity for investors to invest in Disney stock at one of its lowest prices within the last 10 years. The company's theme parks are still one of the dream destinations that children and families save a lot of money to be able to visit at least once in their lifetime. ESPN, a sports channel that's owned by Disney, continues to be one of the top destinations for sports fans to watch their favorite players and teams, and for the sports analysis. Lastly, all the different intellectual property like trademarks that Disney owns continue making billions of dollars for the company each year. This money will continue funding Disney's new exciting business ventures, helping the company prosper. Undervalued stock number 3, Nvidia. Nvidia is an American multinational technology company known for its graphics processing units or GPUs and AI technologies. At the time of this video, Nvidia is valued at $2.8 trillion. I bought 3 shares of the Nvidia stock at $107.07 per share, for a total investment of $321.21. I've owned Nvidia stocks in the past and decided to buy more as the price went down. As of today, I have a total of 5 shares of the Nvidia stock at an average cost of $114.11 per share. Nvidia has been the most popular and talked about company of this year so far. I recently featured Nvidia in one of my videos about top 8 AI stocks to buy in 2024. Since I've done my research and considered the future potential of the company in that video, I decided to follow my own advice and invest strongly in Nvidia. I am convinced that AI is going to be our future, and Nvidia will continue being at the forefront of the industry, which will result in even higher growth for the company. Undervalued stock number 4, Shopify. Shopify is a Canadian e-commerce company that provides a platform that allows millions of businesses to create online stores and retail point-of-sale systems. At the time of this video, Shopify is valued at $77 billion. I bought 2 shares of the Shopify stock at $58.77 per share for a total investment of $117.54. I've talked about Shopify in my previous videos, and it's not my first time investing in the company. As of today, I have a total of 14 shares of the Shopify stock at an average cost of $62.29 per share. So why am I continuing to invest in Shopify? Shopify is dominating its competitors with their tools and services of opening online stores. There's no company as good as Shopify there, which almost results in a sort of monopoly for the company. As more and more businesses are moving online each year and choose to work with Shopify, Shopify gets a consistent revenue increase as they sell more and more subscriptions. This level of market dominance in the growing industry is what makes me want to invest in Shopify, despite not so favorable recent guidances from the company. So overall, for the month of August 2024, I ended up investing a total of $1,007.31 across 4 different undervalued companies. Each month, I also give you an update on how my entire stock portfolio is performing, so make sure to check out those videos as well. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions for me. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.